How do pop-up drink stands make fresh boba every day? Pop-up drink stands make fresh boba every day by cooking tapioca pearls in large batches and preparing fresh tea and ingredients regularly throughout the day to keep everything fresh. Pop-up drink stands start by boiling tapioca pearls, which are small chewy balls made from tapioca starch. These pearls are cooked in boiling water until they become soft and chewy, which usually takes around 30 to 40 minutes. Once cooked, they are soaked in a sugar syrup to give them a sweet flavor and keep them from sticking together. The tea is brewed fresh as well, often using loose leaf tea or tea bags, and mixed with milk or fruit flavors depending on the drink. To keep everything fresh, stands will cook new batches of tapioca pearls multiple times a day because the pearls can harden or lose their texture if left out too long. They also prepare fresh toppings and syrups frequently. Interestingly, some stands even use special machines that keep the cooked boba warm and moist without overcooking them, which helps maintain the perfect texture throughout the day. One common mistake is letting the cooked tapioca pearls sit too long without being soaked in syrup. This causes them to harden and lose their chewy texture. To avoid this, always soak them in syrup right after cooking. Another misconception is that boba can be made hours in advance and kept fresh at room temperature, but in reality, boba starts to degrade quickly once cooked, so it's best to cook smaller batches more often. Some people also think that cold water can stop the cooking process completely, but it only slows it down, so don't rely on this to keep boba fresh all day. The best tip is to manage your cooking schedule so you prepare new boba in small batches multiple times during operating hours. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out to message you back and offer their estimates.